Hey guys!
How you going?
Today we're in a relatively new wholesale place called Go.
Which used to be B&B, I think, behind the Airport Plaza.
Yeah, so it's located behind the Central Festival. Sorry, not the Central Festival, the Airport Plaza.
Yeah.
And
You'll get it.
and we've just entered. So come along with us and have a bit of a look.
Well, it's probably like a macro size, but we'll see what the prices are going to be like, or
Yeah.
what it's going to be like.
Yes.
Looks good.
All right. So just looking at the ceramic side of things, guys, you've got plates, just single plates for 69 baht.
It's not
Yeah.
bad, eh?
Yeah, absolutely. And then you've also got
The mega load.
the,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
How many?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
wow.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, it says 12.
So, so 12 plates there
Yeah.
for 393 baht, which is pretty damn good, really, considering, what you could be paying. So let's move on, show you something else. So we found the spirit aisle.
Whoopsies. I'm wondering if it's actually in this store. If it isn't getting it.
So you've got your, well, let's just use, just for argument's sake, you've got your Johnny Walker for 697 baht. And the way I usually do it, to transfer from, because I'm Australian of course, to transfer from Thai baht to the Australian dollar, I generally just will take it up to the next notch, so 697 being 700 baht, and then take the zero off, which makes it 70, halve that, 35 bucks.
Well, the one I was looking at.
And just an idea as to what the wine here costs. So you've got your 19 crimes there, which is 599 baht. Basically, something that we wouldn't be buying at home because it's ultra cheap at home. And you've got quite a few. They're not all Australian. You have also from other places too. Oh, look, you've got your Jacob's Creek, you've got your McGuigan. Oh, good Lord. Let's stay away from the gut rot, shall we?
Is that $24? That's probably 12 at home. I think. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember.
Yeah.
I know that the Eagle Hawk was very $9-10.
With the import tax here in Thailand, you do tend to pay twice as much
That's
when it comes to
16, so it's
alcohol.
probably about $7 dearer.
What is Eagle
This
Hawk?
here?
Wolf Bless.
Yeah, this here was cheap at home. That's 500.
Yeah, McGuigan. Yeah.
$20.
Don't even bother. And Gossips, you've got the same kind of thing. They're all shit wines.
Or you go
for Australian standards.
You go for your fancy.
Your
box down there.
your fancy boxers.
Yeah. Castle Creek.
You have all your beers as well. You have let's start over here. Your Heineken, 753 baht for how many comes in there? What is this? So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 to the carton, I guess, up to the slab. Oh, look, it says 12. Good God.
They're 500 mils.
Oh, they're 500 mil. I see. And then you have beers from different places. I don't even know where this one comes from. What is that? Tawandang. What is Tawandang? That is... it's German.
That's $32.
Okay. So there's your German brewery. Let's just move along. You've got your Heineken in the smaller quantities, your dry Asahi, your San Miguel, your Tiger, your Mai, which is basically, what is that? It's the
Singer. It's a Singer
the
brand.
poorer brother of the Singer brand. Yeah. And again, the Asahi, you have the Riceberry, Cheers. Not sure where Cheers is from.
I didn't hear Judy.
Probably the US. I'm just guessing. I'm probably wrong. Okay. So when you've got your single beers, if you just want your single cans.
No, German brand.
Yeah, but they're in the single
all singles,
cans. Yeah. So you've got your don't crucify me if I'm wrong. Kaiserdom, You've
The
got
last time I had something like that, I was coming through a petrol station in Germany where
Were
you
ya?
could get your petrol and your beer at the same time. It's weird.
You have your Warsteiner. You have your Benedictiner. You got the Ortinger. I love saying these names because I'm so wrong.
Beer
I'm
Lau is good.
probably,
That's a nice
I'm probably
drop.
butchering the crap out of it. The beer Lao, Dave
that's
seems
nice.
to like. That's a beer from Lao. Oh my God, that's so self-explanatory, isn't it? You've got your Sapporo, which is Japanese. Your Kirin, which is, I am going to guess, also Japanese. Your Orion, which is, oh my God, I don't know. I think that might be Korean beer. I think that might be Korean beer. Let's have a look. No, it's Japanese. Again, there we go. All right, so I guess this row here is Japanese. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look how big it is. So how much is in that thing? Look, I'm really interested to know how much is in this keg type. Okay. 5 litres. So you have 5 litres of beer, which is basically a keg, for 1,269 baht. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'd like to have one of those on our shelf, Dave. The Benedictiner.
That there was, I think, about $5 Australian in Krautschein when I was over in Germany. Bought one over for $5.
Isn't it amazing though? Like if you're buying it from the place that it originates from, obviously you're going to be paying
You
a
drink
hell of a
that
lot
and you have
less.
a pork knuckle with some sauerkraut and you're done. You can try them all home.
Ooh, right.
It was good.
Okay. Righto. And then you've got your Stella Artois, your Hoegaarden, your Budweiser.
Heaps of different ones too.
Yeah. Yeah, I will not carry on with that. What do we have here?
You're buying shopping.
No.
Okay.
No. Put that one back, I'd say. At a teeny tiny label of 9,400. 9,497.
The last time I had that was at our wedding.
Really?
Yeah. I bought everyone.
That was the happiest day of Dave's life. Yes.
Oh, yes it was. What happened?
Then you have your ready-made sushi meals, which look quite delicious in refrigeration, of course, as they should be. And your fish that aren't in refrigeration, and this bothers me, it really does. I mean, I don't think that Dave and I have the gut for handling such things. Yes, I saw that. I'm just going to show these ones. The thing that I notice a lot with fish is you look for clarity of the eyes, and there doesn't really. I'll leave that one up to you.
Gone. That one's alright.
Yeah, I'll leave that up
Remember
to
that
you.
time they had the fish on the ice, but the sun's baking the top half.
Yeah.
That was the crayfish.
That's the worst.
Those little pieces.
That looks all right. That's 149 baht, Dave. For are they trout bits?
Fresh for the trout.
Trout, yeah.
Yeah.
But they look like offcuts to me.
Probably is.
And then you've got your live ones. Then you have your live ones. Hi guys. You don't know your fate, do you? Aww. Oh, look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles.
It's not bad. They probably thought they've gone on holidays, but yeah, they haven't.
Yeah, they're going, hang on a minute. Where's all the greenery? Why is everyone so close together?
Crabs are so small.
They are. Should they be there?
Large blue swimming crab.
So more on the seafood side of things, all nicely crusted in ice. You have your crabs, size 2 to 4. No, I'm really not sure what that is supposed to be. Then you have your little fishies. Yes.
We caught the other one a month ago. We went
Oh
fishing.
yes.
We went fishing for these, and you actually catch them.
Yes.
You catch them and
Prawn fishing.
prawn fishing. Well,
Prawn fishing with a rod.
freshwater prawn, but they call it fruit fishing.
Yeah, you'll have to catch, hold on, you'll have to catch our vlog on that one. It was actually quite an interesting thing to do. So we fell victim to a beautiful rump cap that you can show.
Oh, you can't see it in the bag, but
I don't think you could see that either.
no. I don't want to undo the bag.
Yeah.
Are you something big?
So it's some kind of, well, it's not some kind of, it's the rump cap, which is a delicious cut of meat. Here, if you're looking for fillet or Scotch fillet or porterhouse or T-bone or tomahawk steak or any of those things, then you might as well just forget it. It just breaks the budget. But this guy over here likes his steak.
$20 a kilo.
And I love
Australian.
him. So sometimes you just got to give it up.
Give me
And
meat.
guys, we're on to sauces and dressings. So you've got all of your Kewpie dressings, and Dave, we also need a Kewpie mayo. So if you happen to see it
Probably
anywhere,
gone past it. Kewpie roast. Oh.
no, not that one. That just reminded me. And all of your Japanese soy sauces and the rest of it. We were missing some HP sauce. So Dave is a big lover of HP sauce. I hate it. So we grabbed some of that also. So if you're looking for HP sauce and you just can't seem to find it anywhere in Chiang Mai, yeah.
Well, you can find it in Rimping.
Can you?
I can't remember what the price was in there.
Ah, okay. All right. So apparently you can find it in Rimping also, but you can find it here at Go.
Yeah.
And and that's us. So thank you for being with us.
We got a bit lost sort of
We
searching
did.
for everything.
We did, and we probably put way too much in our trolley. So just see. So then you've got all your spices as well. Something that Dave and I were looking for about the first year of us being here. Was a kind of steak seasoning. So there's a steak seasoning there, but we have since found one, haven't we, Dave?
Yeah, we have. I didn't even see that.
The Montreal
okay.
steak
Yeah.
seasoning. Then you've got the
Price
big one
has
as
changed a
well.
bit, yeah.
You've got that massive one there, that's 494
sure.
baht. Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. Then you've got a smaller one there also, 266. So you've got that one at, how much is in there? Hold on. Also syrups to add to your cocktails. You've got your yuzu orange, your pink guava, melon, Thai honey mango, peach, passion fruit. The list goes on, guys, but they are here at Go.
There's 700, but that's going to be a few meals.
Yeah, I'm going to cut that up. I'm going to butcher that baby.
Yeah. There's not much.
There's really not much in our trolley. But
Vegetables.
I can guarantee you that it'll be probably about 2,000, maybe 2,500 baht.
But the vegetables I get every day fresh, so there's no point buying them today. Every time Judy wants them, 800 metres down the road, you go to the local place and buy them.
That's right. Awesome.
Easy.
See ya.
Hey.